Hi, and welcome. Right now, I'm going to go over some of the adaptive design capabilities we put into EfficiencySpring. Essentially, before 2016, when we deployed EfficiencySpring, it was primarily for large screen applications, and that's still largely the case. But we really wanted to make it more mobile friendly, and so we implemented a lot of new capabilities to make it more friendly for smaller screens. So let me bring this into a more of a resizable format. So you'll see that this is a results grid in one of our data manager tools, and you can see this is looking through a list of news articles. And before, if you were to like resize it downward, you really wouldn't. You'd probably wind up with a horizontal scroll bar. But we've done a certain number of things to make it more mobile friendly. So I'm going to resize it down, and once we hit a certain threshold, now you see we have a more mobile friendly experience. One thing to note is that the menus, both the secondary menu up here and the primary menu that was there, are now part of an expandable framework. In addition, the click buttons have gotten bigger, so it's easier to go back to the search screen or go to the results screen. And then, with regard to the grid, instead of having cells for each data column, you now have a summary of each field and the value, and it's much easier to scroll through. And then, in addition, if you actually click on one of these, you'll see that the wrappability has also been improved. If you're in the desktop interface, this is the traditional thing of where you have the label and you have the text, and the idea is to reduce the amount of vertical scrolling. But if you're in a mobile format factors and you don't have that space, then you can see that everything wraps neatly underneath. And this wrappability is something that we've really tried to embrace everywhere. The search screen has it. You can see it's a bit larger. On the larger screen, we have that layout, and then everything wraps around. Even on a custom export, we seem to have we have this, which is kind of you're generally probably not going to export a CSV file on a phone, but who knows? We use that for everything. We use phones for everything these days. So this is what the desktop looks like. You can see things get spread out, but on mobile we've embraced wrappability. And these are games that we're going to continue to work on, continue to refine. We're certainly not done with adaptive design, but the bottom line is that if you are deploying a data management application, Efficiency Spring is now a much better application to deploy on for mobile. Thank you.